What does rite of passage have to do with entrepreneurship? Stanford startup guru Steve Blank calls startups and entrepreneurs hypothesis testing machines, meaning the key is to be nimble and to be constantly reading the signs of the marketplace so that you can pivot and maneuver when the data that you receive and the feedback and the response you get from your products and services don't match your expectations. It's about being able to deal with, a rapidly changing, constantly changing marketplace, and that's the outer game every entrepreneur plays. Rite of passage is a identical, pretty much, or a parallel technology or approach for the inner game as an entrepreneur that you have to have in order to play that outer game. You have to maintain your balance and nimbleness, with yourself in order to play that kind of a balancing act with the marketplace. You need an inner game to match your outer game, because you never know when you'll get uprooted.